Please read this disclaimer in its entirety. Today, we're going to learn how to factor quadratic polynomials. You should be comfortable with the area model of multiplying binomials as well as the x-factor game before we start. When multiplying binomials, we started with a pair of binomials and ended up with a quadratic trinomial. Today, we're going to reverse that process. Here's the quadratic expression, and here's a grid for the area model. That expression came from the inside of the area model. Remember that two of these terms combine to make one, but the other two are going to be obvious, so we'll fill those in now. Doing this step first will keep you from forgetting it later. To fill in the other two boxes, we're going to make use of the x-factor puzzle. The top part of this puzzle will be the product of the coefficient of x squared and the constant. The bottom part is simply the coefficient of x. Once we solve this puzzle, these two side numbers will become the missing terms in the area model. Once the inside of the area model is filled in, we can then start finding the contributing sides. Look at this column and find the common factor. That becomes the first part of the binomial and allows us to determine the terms of the other binomial. Once that's done, it should be clear what the final binomial is. All that remains is to write our answer in the proper form.